I want to talk today about a great tool for combating anxiety, and that's mindfulness. Now, mindfulness is a huge topic, and I'm just going to give one quick way of using it to create more relaxation in the moment. Most of us deal with anxiety in one of two ways. We're either running away from it. Some people eat, some people sleep, some people work too much, anything we can do to get away from the painful feelings. Or we're running toward it, which looks like obsessive thoughts, talking about it constantly, making lists, anything we can do to feel like we're in control of it. Mindfulness is really the opposite of either one of these approaches. It's the art of sitting in the anxiety and noticing it without letting it take control. And it looks like this. First, we take a few deep breaths. We are trying to control the physical manifestations of anxiety, so get the heart rate slowed down, get the breathing deeper, less shallow. Then when our body is ready for it, we start the process of really welcoming in, and I say that with a cringe almost because I know how hard it sounds, welcoming in the anxiety. And what we're doing is we are acknowledging it, noticing it, but not engaging it. So it's almost like a touch and release type maneuver where you say, okay, I see you're there, I can describe you even, but that's all I'm going to do. I'm going to continue to come back to my breath and be aware of my breathing, and then notice if the anxiety is still there or when it starts to move away. It sounds counterintuitive, right? Like I'm asking you to welcome in the thing that is most difficult for you, but research has shown that this is the quickest way of getting the anxiety to dissipate. And there's two reasons for that. One is that when we sit in it and we accept it, we take away the power it has to make us feel like we could be destroyed by it. And the second is it gives us that wonderful tool for anxiety, which is the pause. Because so often we want to leap in and react quickly, which can cause more problems than we had to begin with. And sitting and being mindful lets us take enough time to think about if we want to do something, and if so, what is the best action forward. So that's it, a quick way to sit with the anxiety in order to get rid of it faster. I hope it's helpful for you.